so bad. Like, even if it's just in the corner of the mouth, it takes so much to get out. Swallowed. Yeah, they're in the back. Oh, no, he actually didn't swallow it. Yeah. Osprey must have grabbed him right there. Sick. Yeah, I was tree dangling in it. Yes. Oh, I hope the GoPro picked up on that. I hope I was even recording. Oh, doubled up. Sweet, I was filming. Finally got one. See, that thing has the same thing on it. It's not as visible, but it's a nice little guy. Because I need to get this tip wrapped off my rod. It's not even great. But yeah, just gotta get deeper. Oh yeah, I cast it right in their dock. Oh my god, this fish just crapped on me. He just crapped all over me. Oh, nice water spot. I kind of want to get a picture of them trying to jump. I want to try and get like a still. in a video and I'll take a still out of it.